So the Euros 2024 have just started, and you're probably wondering what's the easiest, fastest, and safest way to watch all of the games for completely free. Well, there's a couple of options. So firstly, we have official streaming applications, and as you can see on the screen, depending on your country or location, certain applications have got the official broadcasting rights to stream all of these games. So just look for your country's name on the screen and see which apps are available for you. For example, if you're in the UK, you can use the two applications, ITX and also the BBC iPlayer. If you're based in Switzerland, you can use the RSI website or app, and so on. The second way is to use different streaming websites, and fortunately, most of these official streaming applications like the BBC iPlayer, like the ITV Hub, both have official websites, so really, you can just open any browser and you can watch all of these games absolutely free by using a VPN.